The Porsche 911 has long been a symbol of precision engineering, a car that's been revered for its timeless design, iconic shape, and performance. For purists, there's something sacred about keeping a classic Porsche 911 in its original, air-cooled form, preserving its authentic charm. However, in an era where modern technology continues to redefine the automotive world, the classic 911 is now facing a transformation that might make traditionalists cringe. Enter Everrati, a company dedicated to electrifying classic Porsches and their latest project, the Viper Commission. This isn't your typical Restomod 911, and it's not something you'll see at your local Porsche club gathering. Everrati has completely reimagined the 911, combining the iconic design with cutting-edge electric powertrains. This creation is what some might call a Restomod, but it's more of an electrified revolution for a car that's been revered for generations. By replacing the original engine with an electric motor and a 62 kilowatt-hour battery pack, Everrati is bringing new life to the classic Porsche 911 while keeping its classic silhouette intact. Externally, the car is a striking masterpiece, thanks to a number of key modifications. The body panels have been swapped out for lightweight carbon fiber, not only reducing weight, but also widening the stance of the car. The classic Porsche curves are still visible, but with a more aggressive and modern flair. The car has been finished off with a bold Viper green paint job, giving it an electrifying presence that matches the new hard under the hood. Fuchs-style black wheels with polished silver rims complete the look, paying homage to the Porsche legacy while infusing a contemporary feel. The added ducktail, spoiler, and updated headlights give it an unmistakable modern twist, adding to the car's overall visual appeal. But here's where things get interesting. While the exterior looks every bit the part of a classic Porsche 911, the powertrain is a complete departure from what purists might expect. Gone is the iconic air-cooled engine, replaced by a state-of-the-art electric motor that provides instant torque and acceleration. Though Everrati hasn't revealed the specific horsepower or torque figures, they claim the electric 911 can hit 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. An impressive feat for any car, let alone one that's over 30 years old in design. For the owner of this 911, who reportedly has a profound commitment to combating climate change, the switch from gasoline to electric power makes perfect sense. This electric 911 is part of a broader trend of Restomods where classic cars are being re-engineered with modern technology, combining old-school aesthetics with the benefits of electric propulsion. Sure, the addition of a large battery pack has added weight, but the performance improvements make it hard to care. The instantaneous power delivery from the electric motor makes the car feel much faster than its gas-powered counterpart, and with a 62 kilowatt-hour battery, it's no slouch when it comes to range either. The interior of the Viper Commission 911 is equally as stunning as the exterior, with Everrati choosing high-quality materials to give the car a luxurious feel while maintaining that classic Porsche vibe. The cabin is finished in black leather, with subtle gray striping that adds a touch of sophistication. One standout feature is the green 12 o'clock stripe on the steering wheel, which adds a pop of color and ties in perfectly with the Viper green exterior. The updates don't stop at aesthetics either. The tech inside is clearly geared toward a modern driving experience, featuring all the comfort and convenience you'd expect from a new high-performance electric car. As for how this all impacts the driving experience, that remains to be seen. While the added weight from the electric powertrain might affect handling, the sheer power and torque available at the press of the pedal will undoubtedly make this 911 feel more agile and exciting to drive. In essence, the Viper Commission is a Porsche 911 like no other. It keeps the essence of a 911 while pushing the envelope with modern technology. This electrified classic 911 serves as a bridge between the past and the future of the automotive world. It's a car that may not sit well with purists, but for those who want the best of both worlds, classic Porsche aesthetics combined with modern electric performance, it's a match made in heaven. The future of Porsche could be electric, and with projects like the Viper Commission, it's clear that the brand's legacy will continue to evolve.